So I'm thinking of a video to upload on my other channel, especially the technology. So I think it's appropriate that I am going to discuss about something that I use every day. Sometimes in my in my handyman repair stuff. Okay, so let's discuss about testers. Okay, so when we speak of testers, these are devices you usually, as you're very much familiar with testers as devices in which you would be able to use in order to check on something on your electronic gadgets. Okay, so I have here two testers here. Okay, so this one is I think a Draper type model tester. This one came from my came from my dad. Okay, he was still alive, and he was still a seaman. He got this tester. So this is one of the first digital multi-testers. I think most of you are familiar with testers, which they use the scale type, the needle type test multi-tester. So then of course I have this other newer model. This was given to me by my former high school teacher in Manila Science. Si Sir E.S. Bangayan. So he gave this to me around the time of the 2023 MIBF. So this one is of course digital, but this is a little bit modern in scope. But of course, these two testers they do something. Okay, they of course, what is the purpose of your tester? So your tester has a myriad of purposes. So of course, if you're a full-time electrician or doing your job in electronics, you would be able to appreciate that of course this measures a lot of electrical related matters, like for example, it can measure resistance or your ohms. So here you have this ohms. Okay, then you can measure your voltage. So it depends on your voltage, if it is AC or DC. So there is a specific point here for voltages as to if it is direct current or it is alternating current. So you want to test the voltage of a certain plug or a certain battery, you can use this. Okay, then you have you can measure your amperage here. Okay, so your amps. Okay, so most of which cover by your formula in your Ohm's law, you can find it here in the multi-tester. Okay, then of course, what's the very much use of this tester? Of course, in electronics, you kind of used to test this on certain things. Like, for example, if you want to check on if all of this would be in continuity, you're going to test this. Okay, then of course your tester has it's ready available prongs. Okay, so we have these prongs here, so we can actually this is more or less universal. So you can plug the red here, and then you can also plug the other part. Okay, the one for the positive. Okay, so you can plug it like this. Okay, so some would indicate if it's red, but here it's standard. You put the one here in the black. Okay, so of course, what's the very use of your tester? Of course, it's very much. Of course, this has multifunction. So, but most of the time in electronics, they usually use these testers for continuity issues. Okay, so what would we mean by continuity? Of course, if you want to know if there is really a contact between point A and point B, you would be able to discern, so that you would determine if something's grounded or something is does not have a connection because something has been cut off. Okay, by the delivery of the electricity. Okay, so most of the testers, and I think I heard this in one of the YouTube channels of Adam Savage. One of his purpose, and I think this is the very much purpose of your you call this your testers, is to check on your continuity. So most of our testers right now, we have this buzzer type signal here. Okay, so what will happen if you put it in this buzzer? Okay, so we have this buzzer. You just have to cross this. Okay, so if you hear there's a beep. Okay, so if you're going to cross it, it's going to be lighting. Okay, now this tester, of course, this one is only digital. This one has light. It can be on. It can be you can on the lighting here if you wanted to. So But of course, going to the test, you have to listen to the sound. So yeah, so there is a continuity. Okay, so that's the purpose of your tester. So most of the ones using their testers, they usually do this for continuity purposes. Okay? Not that so of course for some who are experts in electronics, they would use this on example specific continuations or continuity purposes, especially with these electronic parts. So if you want to know if one part is grounded, you would be able to determine whether it's the other. So a multi-tester is a very useful tool in your it's a very useful tool in, especially not only if you're doing electronics, but of course as me as a sometimes a part-time hobbies and part-time handyman. Sometimes if we need to fix something here in the house, or sometimes in your basic electronics, a multi-tester is a very much good tool to have in your home. Okay.